left and third there. Not a mistake by Baumbach. Just two really good, talented drivers behind him making the best of the situation.
Yeah, well driven by Harlan on the pass there, just stuck down the inside. Here's Hoffman sizing up for the move on Aaron Baumbach. This is the view from the outside. So Morris was down the inside. Baumbach was busy looking at the number one, and all of a sudden, the 55 zips down the inside of turn 3 and gets that second.
Alright, hello YouTube, here we are, day 2, back in the garage. It is much colder tonight. We're just continuing along with the Harlequin, doing exactly what we were doing the night before. Disconnecting more things. That's the goal of the night, just, it's a work night for the both of us, so we're just going to keep on disconnecting stuff, so hopefully the next time we'll be ready to just pull all this shit out of here. So, follow along, here we go. Quick little update for you guys. So far we've got pretty much all the electrical disconnected. We've got the clutch cable disconnected. So we're saving the clutch linkage for last because I don't know how to do it yet. Yeah. Mike's cutting out the exhaust. We're gonna disconnect the fuel line and this thing will be ready to pull. There you have it. Yep. Had a pretty good and productive day working on the Harlequin. We've got pretty much most things unplugged or unhooked or disconnected except for the shifter linkage, which we can't figure out. Got the exhaust cut off. So we're pretty much ready to pull this engine. And it's late, so we're tired, and it's cold, even though we got the heater running. That's all I got, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, get her off the trailer, buddy. Oh, shit.